Hello and welcome. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, your place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Today, we will talk about something important. We will talk about starting. We will talk about the very first step. The title of our talk today is Start Small, the first step to achieving big dreams. This idea is good for everything in your life. It is very good for learning English, so stay with me. Let's learn this together. Have you ever had a very big dream? Maybe you want to learn English fluently. Maybe you want to run a long race. Maybe you want to write a book. Big dreams are wonderful, but sometimes big dreams feel too big. When a dream is too big, we sometimes feel nervous. We feel overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means we have too much to do and we don't know where to start. This feeling can make us stop before we even begin. This is why we must learn a simple secret. The secret is to start small. Starting small is the most powerful thing you can do. Think about a small start. What does that mean? If your big dream is to learn English fluently, your small start might be this. Learn 3 new words today, only 3 words. Or listen to 5 minutes of an English podcast, just 5 minutes. These are small actions. They are easy actions. They do not feel scary. When you do a small action, you are winning immediately. This small win gives you energy. This energy makes you feel positive. The problem is not the lack of ability. The problem is usually the lack of starting. The biggest challenge is always taking the first step. The first step does not have to be perfect. The first step only needs to be a start. Let's think about this idea of starting small. Many people wait for the perfect moment. They say, I will start learning English next month when I have 6 hours every week. But next month comes and they still do not have 6 hours. They wait again. This is a mistake. Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start with 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes today. You can read 1 English sentence. You can learn 1 small word. When you do this one small thing, you are moving. You are building momentum. Momentum is energy from moving. Today's action does not need to finish the race. Today's action only needs to put you on the starting line. These small steps are powerful because they build a habit. A habit is something you do regularly, every day. A big wall is built 1 brick at a time. It is built 1 brick, and then another brick, and then another brick. Your English skill is the same. It is built by 1 lesson, then another lesson, then 1 conversation, then another conversation. Start small. Be patient with yourself and be kind to yourself. It is better to take 1 small step every day than to try to take 10 huge steps one time and then feel tired for a whole week. Small and steady wins the race. So, let us look back at our message today. If your dream feels too big, remember this: break it into small steps. Do not think about the destination. Do not think about the final big result. Think only about the very first action you can take right now. What is the smallest, easiest start you can make today? Take that step. Celebrate that small win. You are starting, and starting is everything. Learning English is a journey, and every great journey begins with a small step. Take your small step today. I believe in you. You have the power to start small, and you have the power to achieve your big dreams. Thank you for listening today. Remember, we are here every week with friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely. Goodbye for now, and I hope you have a wonderful, successful day.